you're back with another great video with me, the Iron King. I'm changing my name to the Canine King when I'm on Hafiz Kennels, and you got some good stuff coming. You're gonna see F1 Baraka, 9 months old, F1 Genghis, 2 years old, the first of their kind, F1 breeding pairs to make some F2 CANINIs. Hey, look here, man. It's only one place you can get this. Hafiz Kennels. Follow me! Baraka. So Baraka is 9 months old, wild. That's Genghis taking a turd. Very puppy, much puppy, very much puppy. Her mama is Puma. And her daddy, here's Puma. Her daddy's Diesel. Grandson to the Great White. Great White is the father of Genghis. Come on. Watch out for the turds. I want you guys to see this because, again, it's all about genetics, right? She's showing off for the camera. So because her ears aren't cropped, she looks a little different from Genghis. But with the ears cropped, she would look just like Genghis. It's all about the look, right? We have the underbite. All caninis got to have a little bit of an underbite. We got the wide chest. Yeah, so, but again, 9 months old, 2 months old, Genghis. Okay. Remember, that's 150 pounds acting a bag like a puppy. I just carry like about 90. Good quality stuff here, huh? Man. I had to have a moment of admiring God's work. You know what I mean? God did this. You know? Come here. Come here, Baraka. Gonna have nice rear ends. So this is gonna be the first, well, not the first, maybe the second breeding pair, because his sister is 2 and her brother's almost 1. So we might breed her brother to his sister. So we'll have some F2s. There we go. It's a big boy, right? Dance with me. Dance with the baby. Dance with me. It's crazy. At the camera, girl. Come on. So, what do I say other than huzzah, huzzah, huzzah? You guys are going to get to see some great stuff 2023. You're getting to see some final products, finished products, put into some finished products. We're going to have some more puppies off of her mother. And we're going to have some puppies off of Lola and Ox. It's going to be a picture right here. This is what I'm doing. It's going to be like, beep. It's a picture, okay? It's for you to know. We got the most attractive camera lady in the planet filming. Yours truly, making sure I'm beautiful. I'm sorry. But yeah, just get a look at them. That's all we gotta do. Look at the chest on this junk, on this biatch. It's a female dog. They call them bitches. I'm not telling anything. I'm not saying curse words. He's gonna be all right. I wanted to see how they look without the ear, with the ears. I don't necessarily like them. I'm gonna make sure they all come clipped or cropped, as they like to say. So cropped will be a look. Underbite will be a look. Big heads, big booties. Come on. Next video, we'll do some bite work. All right. I think that's enough for a day. Should I talk about anything else? I just want them to see. 2 F1. Now look at this 10 years in the making here. each one of these dogs have the exact same percent, but they're from two different lines, but they're from the same line at the same time. See, to breed this thing correctly, you gotta be a little cuckoo and the cuckoo mucky and the boom boom and the blah, 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 blah. You gotta have all that in there. All right? Messing with genetics, perfect the genetics. Iron King, Dingus, you got anything you wanna say? Vodka, anything you wanna say? No? Cut the tape, 2013. Yeah! I'm in 2023. Huzzah!
Where my dogs at? Where my dogs at? These